first awardee is a woman of grace, intelligence, and influence. A true queen who has represented the Philippines on the global stage and continues to inspire with her advocacies. With a heart that finds the silver lining in everything she does, she remains a shining example of excellence and responsibility. Everyone, please welcome our taxpayer from RTO 39 South Quezon City, Miss Universe 2018, Catriona Gray!
Or our taxpayers who are watching you right now. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I just want to say thank you for this recognition. Of course, I take a lot of pride in being a responsible citizen. And I hope that the people that will be here today will be an example to inspire you all to do the same. But I also request that the BIR continues to create systems and put them in a place that allow us to be taxpayers who are able to be responsible taxpayers. Ibig sabihin, really putting in place a system and constantly updating it and making it more accessible, increasing the technology so that we can continue to fulfill our responsibilities as citizens. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much, Ms. Catriona.
Thank you, Ms. Catriona. Once again, congratulations, guys. Si Ms. Catriona po ay tapat ng magbayad na buwis. Tayo rin po sa inyo. It's really great to see technology making process easier for everyone. Once again, guys, Catriona Gray.
Thank you so much, Catriona.
He is one of the most beloved actors in the Philippine showbiz. He is admired for their stellar careers, their beautiful family, and their dedication to making a difference. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the top taxpayer of RTO 40 Cubao, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes.
Congratulations and thank you for being somebody that people can look up to in terms of paying the correct taxes. Being one of the top taxpayers here in Quezon City. All right, congratulations! Congrats! We'd like to ask you for a short message for our taxpayers.
Thank you. Commissioner, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Nag-survey.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, definitely worth the wait, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes.
Hello muli. So, namatay po yung mic. Akala po nila kakanta ako. Pero, don't worry. Anyway, sinasabi ko nga kanina, nag-survey kami ng 100 tao at tinanong ko, ano ba ang kahalagahan ng April 15? In fairness, 100% naman yung sagot. Alam na alam nila ang kanilang obligasyon. But anyway, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa pagkilala ito. Pero siguro more than this, talagang gusto natin sabihin na nagpapasalamat tayo na napapadali na ngayon talaga yung sistema ng pagbabayad ng buwis. Lahat naman ngayon ay digital na, lahat ng ay online, mas napapabilis na ngayon ang ating obligasyon. Kaya huwag po natin kalilimutan, malapit na April 15, bayad po tayo ng tama, custom buwis. Siyempre tayo mapupunta po ito para sa ating mga kababayan. And muli, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Maraming salamat din for joining us this afternoon. And of course, for being one of the top taxpayers here in Quezon City, they'd like to ask you to pose for another photo for our photographers.
Congratulations, Sir Dom.
Maraming salamat.
Amazing.
Galing, di ba?
Ako, meron pa po iba. Magkapagla po kayo dyan.
Just you wait. Dahil itong tatawagin natin is another one of our top celebrity taxpayers here in Quezon City. A showbiz power couple who continues to win hearts with their incredible performances and undeniable chemistry. Please welcome one proud taxpayer of RDO 28 Lomaliches, Jenilyn Mercado, joined by her husband, Kapuso Ring and
Dennis Jr. Congratulations once again, Ms. Jenilyn and Sir Dennis, and the message po para sa ating taxpayers at para sa BIR.
Congratulations for being one of our top taxpayers. Jen, baka meron kang message para sa ating mga taxpayers dyan, and of course, Dennis as well.
Maraming salamat po sa pag-ibita sa amin dito. Hindi namin akalain magkakaroon kami ng ganitong klaseng award. Thank you po, maraming salamat at sana maging magandang EMBLO. Yung mga ginagawa namin para makapagbayad din tayo ng maayos, tax, at pinaka-importante siguro makapagbayad sa oras para wala tayong maging problema.
Yee, Jen!
Maraming salamat po sa recognition na ito. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Hello sa inyong sa second floor, sa third floor, fourth floor. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko lang kayong i-remind na magbayado ng buwis sa tamang oras bilang isang responsible na Pilipino. At sa April 15, huwag niyo kong kakalimutan. Thank you po.
Thank you!
Once again, guys, Ms. Jenilyn Mercado and Dennis Trillo. Palakpakan po natin ulit sila.
Guys. Congratulations. Bye, Jen and Dennis. Thank you.
We have more. Up next, another brilliant actor who has made a name for himself in the world of independent films and mainstream cinema. He is known for his powerful portrayals and dedication to his craft, earning him multiple accolades both locally and internationally.
Let's welcome and congratulate Mr. Alan Dizon.
and multi-awarded actor. Known for his versatility and remarkable performances in both television and film. With a career spanning decades, he has become a household name, embodying excellence and professionalism in the entertainment industry.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for
Mr. Albert Martinez. Congratulations. Would you like to share a few words to your fellow taxpayers, please? Thank you.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you. I'm so happy and I'm so proud to be a model of our BAR payments. At ako nagpapasalamat together for sa atong ganito. At sana po, pare-pareho, sabay-sabay tayo. Pag nagbayad ko tayo ng tapat, tagumpay nating lahat.
Yes. Perfect. Good tagline. Perfect. Thank you so much, Mr. Albert Martinez. Maraming salamat po. Alright, that was an inspiring lineup of awardees so far. But before we proceed to the next set of honorees, we will take a short break and enjoy a special performance. Thank you so much, Commissioner.
Thank you so much, guys.
Personalities from Quezon City. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Mr. Darren Espanto.
Yes, of course, maraming salamat po first of all sa BAR for having me today. And sa lahat po ng mga nandito, sa ating mga taxpayers, be sure to file your taxes on time. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa BAR for your continued push for digitalization para mapadali ang pagbabayad po ng tax. At laging tandaan, buwis na tapat, tagumpay nating lahat. Mabuhay po ang BAR Quezon City. Maraming salamat!
Once again, guys, Darren Espanto, congratulations, bro. Maraming salamat. And also to our presenters, Commissioner, to our Commissioner, Jun Lumaki, Director of NITEC.
Thank you, Darren!
Salamat po!
Thank you, Darren.
Woo! Napakagaling na performer talaga ng batang yan. Grabe.
Miss Susie, hindi
Everybody, just like the next part of our program, which is our next Top Taxpayer Award recipient for Media Influencer. She is a beloved actress, host, and performer. She has been a mainstay in the industry, winning hearts with her talent, charm, and dedication. A proud taxpayer of RDO 39, south of Quezon City, Madlang people here, Janina Princess!
Kim Chu! Congratulations. Would you like to say a few words, please, for taxpayers and some area as well?
Hello, everybody! Hello sa fourth floor, third floor sa the floor. Hello po, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa DRR for this recognition. And may this award inspire other people na paying your taxes is not just our duty, but this is also a contribution for a better country. Maraming salamat po everybody and thank you for this recognition again and sana magbayad po tayo ng tamang buwis at sa tamang oras at sa tamang panahon and mabuhay po ang lahat ng mga Pilipino.
What a beautiful message, Kim. Thank you so much once again.
Kim Chu! Woohoo! Ang daming maganda talaga. Nakakatuwa po.